Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I'm sharing with you two brief clips taken from a very long video that I finished to record for my subscribers. It's over 1 hour video that provides detailed explanations on many markets, and you will see me introducing the markets that are covered in the long video. The video is presenting not just the long term. Quite a few charts I analyzed from the monthly perspective. Yes, the monthly scale, the weekly scale, the daily scale, but I also drill down to the hourly and sometimes to the 5 minutes scale whenever I think that there is a good setup for quick trading. You can have access to this detailed video by just giving a try to my service, taking a trial for just 1 week for a modest price of $9.99. You will find more information on my website, and if you have any questions, you can get in touch with me. Don't hesitate. Other than that, I wish you have pleasant viewing. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I have many interesting charts in this video. Long list of charts, and here's the list. I've got the dollar index, the euro US dollar, the US dollar Czech krona, US dollar Canadian dollar, Euro Japanese yen, British pound Japanese yen, US dollar Japanese yen, Australian dollar US dollar, gold, silver, light crude, Brent crude, heating oil, and then the bonds, TYXTLT US T-bond continuous contract, and then long yields, the Euro book sell, stock markets, the Dow, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq 100 cash, the EU Stocks 50, the DAX, the Greek Composite Index, the Chinese Securities Index, the Nikkei, and then Aberdeen Smaller Asian Companies Fund, Aberdeen Chile Fund, and Banco De Chile. That will terminate the video. So I will follow the usual. I continue here with the Chinese market. This is the weekly, and the Chinese market is heading down. It's been going nowhere this year. Look, the whole year, I mean the previous year, it just was pushed down by this line. There's no reason why this is not going to continue. Look what happened here. This is the MACD on the weekly. I already pointed out to you this last week. It was unable to climb above the line that was created by its own price action here. It's turning down. The MACD on the weekly is definitely saying further downside. The pattern is favoring further downside. The entire big picture is further supporting further downside. The loan situation, the debt situation on the ground in China is absolutely frightening. Of course, they are trying to cover and pretend that it doesn't happen. Of course, they don't want to see it. Of course, they're trying to play down. Of course, like they do in so many countries around the world, that there is just so much debt that nobody wants even to look. But that is I'm afraid, a mathematical phenomena. That is a mathematical phenomena. 1 + 1 is 2. You can pretend that it's half. You can pretend that it's 1.5. You can pretend a lot of things. At the end of the day, the interest is knocking on the door and you have to pay it. And when you can't pay it and it piles up, the whole pyramid can come crashing down. So for now, there is nothing terribly bullish to say about China. I think that this is the daily. That is my wave count suggesting a triangle ended here. We are basically now in a massive C down. With this being 1, that's 2. Look, keep looking down. Now here's another chart that is a very central stock in Chile. Is the Banco de Chile monthly. And I'm going to analyze it for you here, and I think I have a case to show that the Chilean market in general is not ready for a turnaround. And don't forget that it's part of the whole basket of the markets that are suffering from the descent in China. Yes, you have Brazil that is looking down. Russia is suffering because oil is also very weak. China is sending a lot of negative waves out there, and all these markets are suffering from this. The monthly goes back here to 2002. The symbol is BCH. Okay, it trades in the US as an ADR. BCH, and just look at the divergence here, and it's not being worked off. There is still more coming. Just look. And I think that if we take this as a one wave complete in terms of rally, we have gone up for more than 4 years. That's not enough as a correction. So there is no rally around the corner here taking it above 100. No way. That's the monthly. I think that there is decent chance for this one to continue lower. But my point is not necessarily this, but this particular stock is to show you that I think that the downtrend in the Chilean market is not over. Here's the weekly, and that's a clear cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC. I don't think we have anything else than that in this case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC. There is further downside. There is a break coming of this floor. There is a break coming of this floor. It's going down towards 65. Yes, that's my best reading of this market. And for now, I wouldn't touch it, but I would follow it. I would follow it to keep an eye to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC. That's the daily, and maybe we had a big drop here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe we are going into something like that, and then further downside. Okay, so that's Banco de Chile. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope you find it useful. Wishing you successful trading. Bye now.